This article covers a part of the contemporary Afghan history that started between 28 April 1992, the day that a new interim Afghan government was supposed to replace the Republic of Afghanistan of President Mohammad Najibullah, and the Taliban's conquest of Kabul, establishing the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan on 27 September 1996. On 25 April 1992, a civil war had ignited between three, later 5 or 6, Mujahideen armies when Hezb-e-Islami Gulbuddin, led by Gulbuddin Hekmatyar and supported by Pakistan's inter-services intelligence, refused to form a coalition government with other Mujahideen groups and tried to conquer Kabul for themselves. After 4 months, already 500,000 residents of Kabul had fled the heavily bombarded city. The following years, several times some of those militant groups formed coalitions and often broke them again. By mid-1994, Kabul's original population of 2 million had dropped to 500,000. In 1995-96, the new militia of the Taliban, supported by Pakistan and ISI, had grown to be the strongest force. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.